Hello guys and welcome back. In this video I am going to teach you that not only how to install the Office, also to fix problems while downloading it. Let's begin. Go to Chrome and search for Office deployment tools. Open the first website, that is the official Microsoft website, and click download. While it is downloading, open new tab and search for Office customization tool and then enter. Now open the first website that pops up. Here select 64 bits. Now scroll down and in Office Suites select Office Professional Plus 2019. Now scroll down and select the apps of Office you want to download. In my case, I only need Excel, PowerPoint and Word, so I will only select them. Then select the language, then click Next. Now scroll down and open Application Preferences. Then scroll all the way to the bottom and click Finish. Now click Export. Then select XML format and click OK. Now accept the agreements and again click Export. After that, open File Explorer and open C drive. Here we will make a folder named Office 2019. Then go to Downloads and select the two files that we downloaded. After selecting, press Ctrl+X to cut. Now go to the folder you created in the C drive and then Ctrl+V. Then open Office deployment, click on Yes. The black screen comes when my PC asks to make change either yes or no. You will click Yes, then click Agree Agreements and click Continue. Now here we will select the folder we made, which is in C drive named Office 2019. After selecting, click OK. The files will be extracted here. Then copy the address. Then click Windows key and search CMD and click on Run as administrator. Now type CD and paste the address that we copied and hit enter. Now open video's description and copy this command and paste it in CMD, then hit enter. If you see this problem, then do following process. Close it and type dir, then enter. Then paste the command again. If still the problem is coming, then we will try another method which is coming. Now we will search for sfc /scan now. Now again go to the video's description and copy this. Now click Windows+R and paste the command and then enter. Click on Windows Defender on or off, then turn off both, then click OK. Then close it and paste the command again. By the way, This is the clipboard of the things I copied before. To open this clipboard, press Windows plus V to see this. Now again enter if the problem comes again. Let's see if it is coming. Yes, which is coming. Now click on edit of the configuration file. It will open and then press Ctrl plus A and then delete. Now again go to video's description and copy the following code you are seeing in the screen and paste in this configuration file. Now we will go to the CMD again and paste the command again. I have already pasted and hit enter. The Microsoft is loading and here you go. Congratulations, the official downloading of Office has been started. Also don't forget to turn on the firewall that we disabled before. For more videos like that, subscribe to the channel.